In this lecture, we will learn about three-dimensional reflection. So as you know already, in the two dimensions, we have reflections also. So in the two dimensions, we will read about the X and Y reflection. But here, we will learn about two types of reflections. First one is axis wise and second one is second is plane wise. So here, there are the two types are there. So first one is axis wise. What do you mean by the axis wise? Means that every axis you have to suppose as a mirror. Means that x-axis as a mirror, y-axis as a mirror and z-axis as a mirror. These three types of mirror reflection are in the axis wise. Second one is plane. Okay, mirror reflection related to plane. Plane means we have three planes also according to the axis. Means that if you have three axes x, y and z, so same in the plane also you have xy plane, yz plane and zx plane, as I already told you in the rotation time, right? So here if you want to talk about the x-axis mirror reflection, then what happened that time? If you are talking about the x-axis mirror reflection, that means x coordinates will be positive, other axis coordinates are the negative, as same as in the two dimensionals. Okay, so here you can see the matrix are there. Mx is equal to, mx means mirror reflection in the x-axis is equal to 1 x for x, 1 for y minus 1, for z minus 1. Okay, for the my means that mirror reflection in the y-axis, y will be 1 and others coordinates are the minus 1. So here x is a minus, y positive, z negative. In the same as here in the z axis you can see x negative, y negative and z positive. So here this is things are the mirror reflection about an axis wise, x axis, y axis and z axis. Now we will come to the second point. It is called the mirror reflection about an plane. Now in this you can see in the plane, as I told you, there are the three planes are there. First one is xy plane, yz plane and zx plane. Okay, so here you can see xy plane. In the xy plane there are x and y are the positive and z are the negative. Okay, because x, when you are taking as, suppose as a xy is a plane, then opposite direction will be z axis and that will be negative. Okay, so here x and y positive, y is equal to negative, yz, x will be negative, yz are the positive and zx, y are the negative and zx are the positive. So this is called the reflection through plane wise. Okay, next topic is the shearing transformation. I hope you already knows about the shearing transformation, as I already told you in the 2D lectures. Okay, so here they are also the xy plane. If you have to do shearing with the xy plane, that means you have to shear in the z axis, is equal to, formula is this in the matrix form: 1 0 shearing of x-axis, 0 0 1 shearing of y-axis, 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 0 1. Now next is, if you want to go for the yz plane in the shearing term, is equal to same as shearing in the x-axis, and formula is this: if you are going on the y-axis, then it means you have to shear on the zx plane. Then formula is 1 shx 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 shearing in the z-axis, 1 0 0 0 0 1. So I hope in this lectures you already understand everything about the mirror reflection and second thing, shearing transformation. Thank you, students.